I'm gonna make a snowman.
Go do it. Make a snow angel. Have you ever made one?
Yes.
Actually, don't. Really.
This is really cold.
Oh my god. So many regrets.
So much snow. Oh. Happy New Year, everybody. I hope you all had a good Christmas. Oh, we're taking out the trash and checking the mail. Oof. We had a blizzard a few days ago, and it was my first blizzard. We're under a winter storm warning tonight, which is New Year's Eve. Oh my gosh, I just had a package delivered to the office from my brother. It's my Christmas present. That's the box. As soon as I saw it, I knew where it was from, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get home and open this. It's very snowy still. Oh, it's supposed to start snowing again tonight. And snow for like a full day. Oh, can you see the mountains? Huh, pretty. I'm so excited! Thank you so much. I love it. I can't wait to open it. Oh, how pretty. It's got pink paper. Ooh, ah! Oh. Oh. Pretty. Oh my gosh. This feels more luxurious and more expensive than any purse I've ever owned. Oh crap. Well, that's not soft like the Peachy Queen Kush palette that broke, so it's not really wanting to go back in there. And oh my god, let's not let that take away from how beautiful these colors are. Look at this. I love the mirror. Look how pretty that is. Okay, so that happened, and this was this one. Say for very soft. Oh, very, very soft. Frosting. Swallow. I can't wait to put you all on my face. Even you, fucker. It's snowing again. Happy New Year. This is January 1st, 2019, and it's snowing again. Well, hi, Freya. Freya. Look here. Freya. Pretty girl. Hey, honeys. I don't want to scare you with my oatmeal mask on, but it's like 5:30 p.m. and I just woke up because my son got here. He was so cold. It's been outside playing in the snow for a few hours, and it has been snowing all day long. So I just wanted to show you guys. You guys know where I'm from. In South Arkansas, you know it does not snow. Not like this. So I'm having a great time. My neighbor's moving today. It makes me sad. But she's here, so now I'm happy. It's been snowing all day long. So much snow. So much of it. My skin's been so dry, so I was using this oatmeal mask, and my skin is super soft. It feels so good. Oh, sorry. Okay. The wreath. I could stab somebody. Oh, God. Shit. I'm gonna go away now. The snow's so pretty. Ooh, get it, get it. Ugh. Do it again. Sorry about your shoes. There's so much snow. Is that a sunset moment over here? That building's in the way, the sunset. I'm gonna need that removed. There she is. Poofy.